Hello there my friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on how to fix this when your drawstring comes out of your hoodie, or if you're creating your own hoodie and you want to insert the drawstring, or it could be on pants. We're going to use a little tool called a Bodkin to do it. But before we get started, I just have to mention that our channel has reached 1,000 subscribers, and I am so thankful to you. For all of you people that have hit the subscribe button, thank you so much. It means so much to me. I had to mention that and tell you thank you, but it will never be enough to tell you really how grateful I am that our little channel has grown this much. So thank you so much. So let's get into how to insert the drawstring with the Bodkin. So here's our hoodie, and the drawstring came partially out. The other end's up inside here somewhere, and we're going to take it out and we're going to use this little tool called a Bodkin to get it back in. So we usually have these in our shop. You can find them on our website. I'll put a link, but it's just a little metal thing and it has a ring, and you slide the ring down and then this little claw thing opens up that you can put onto the end of your drawstring, and you clamp it down on there, and then to make it stay closed you slide the ring. So awesome little invention. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the drawstring out all the way. Okay, we've got it attached to this end, and we're just going to start feeding it back in. I'm gonna go in here, and if you are a seamstress or person that does this kind of thing a lot, you may have tried a safety pin, and that'll work in a pinch, but the safety pin doesn't slip through the casing as well as the Bodkin, and it comes open a lot. So the Bodkin is really the way to go. It's just so simple. It works every time, and you do not have to fight it. So I'm just pushing it through, and basically what I'm doing is, you can feel the end of the Bodkin. I'm holding over here. I'm smushing. So smushing fabric along that Bodkin, pinch here, and then pull the fabric away. So holding it again, smush fabric along the Bodkin, smush more, and then holding it and pulling the fabric away. Okay, and here we are on the other opening. And that's it. It's all fixed. So I hope that helped you in learning how to use your Bodkin. If you need a Bodkin, go over to shoppindrop.com and you can order a Bodkin. I think they're like $2. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much again for the 1,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Please hit the subscribe button if you are into this kind of thing, and please like the video and give me a comment and let me know what you thought.